Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am here with this gorgeous, luxurious bag from Baroncelli. It's the perfect crossbody, exactly what I was looking for, and it's also super luxe. This beautiful crossbody has a 51.5-inch shoulder drop. You can see that the beautiful pebbled Italian leather, it just looks so luxurious. It has lots of fine details with all of the gold accents, and the hardware is really well made and very durable and sturdy looking. And the bag has two outside pockets that unzip and one on the interior. And it also has a middle section where you can easily place keys or your phone for easy access. The bag stands up well thanks to its flat bottom, and you can see that it has that beautiful leather with a beautiful fabric interior with their logo on it. I really love this bag because it makes walking around and shopping so easy. The crossbody stays on well, and because it's fully adjustable, you can make it higher so that it's a shoulder bag if you wish, or leave it as a crossbody. The leather on this smells and feels absolutely wonderful and gorgeous. If you're looking for the perfect crossbody bag, then you need to check this one out because you will not really ever regret being able to have something so beautiful. But that's just my point of view.